Sup guys? Batman 17 here. Oh weird. Batman 17, so we're making some what I want to build. We're making a doorbell. So just follow the step guys. You need a redstone lamp, button, and then redstone repeater, and then so we keep that. So we can now start. Oh, I forgot the note block. Sorry. So we can make that song so pretty. That's so. It's just an example house, so we can do it like that, like this. Oh, and this and this. So we have to put blocks here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, leave a space like that, and build another like this, and put the redstone lamp. We need the sign so we can, if your friends don't know where's their doorbell or what, the solution is this sign. Please use door bell. Sorry guys. So that, please use double and put some side like this so we can like that, and so at the back. So oh wait, oh like that. So where's the pattern like this? So like that. What's this? So put a 1 note block and 1 note block again. So you have to put the redstone in this. Oh, you'll need to be face in here like that. So press it fully in that at the back. So like that. And just look the sound. Let's push it. Oh, sorry guys, the sound of it. It's kind of noise. Don't have a noise, so it is now. What's this one to one? Touch the note block 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one is 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's for me. Now the double. Oh, I don't know. What's on here? Oh, we have to catch that, so we put that here. And this, put one here, one there, one here. So we will put like that. This, so okay, well, we're done here. So like that. So it becomes a doorbell. Oh, sorry. So like that. Okay. Oh, I forgot some. Did I forget something? No, it's under the CD. Where's the CD? CD. Oh, I don't have a CD, so it can work. The Fred. You can see that, guys. So like this, that. If we just push one like that, see, it doesn't have a sound like. Oh, I know. Oh, like that. Oh, let's put out this, and this. So we can able push this. See that, guys? Hear it. Oh, so thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.